Hey guys, welcome back to the Cocco channel and to the very first Sunday Funday haul of 2018. Pretty sure I have not done a haul. This is my very first Sephora purchase of 2018. It is the Sephora VIB sale going on right now. It is the first weekend which is set aside for rouges. I'm pretty sure I won't be a rouge next year because, like I said, I haven't been shopping at all because we're getting a house. But I do save up for this regardless of how much I have available. So every week I'll put aside a certain amount of money, and then when the sale comes I repurchase everything that I absolutely need because I want to take advantage of the 15% in the spring and the 20% in the fall. So without further ado, let's get started on this Sephora VIB sale haul. Typically I do like 18 million different orders because I like to cash in on free samples, I like to use my points, yada yada. But like I said, it's different this year. I just went in on the day that it started, which is Friday the 13th, which is today. I literally just got home. I have a full face of makeup on and I was like, I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do it. The kids are quiet, Andrew's getting ready for work. So like I said, I didn't even get any point perks or anything like that. Some things are gifts, some things are for me, and I'll let you know which is which. So every VIB sale they typically give you a tote, which I am a collector of, which is also why I go in store. I know a lot of people think that's really stupid, but it's just a tradition for us. Usually when I say us, I usually mean me and my mom, but my mom's out of town, so I just went by myself, and instead they're giving away card holders today only. So it's really cute actually. It has a little shiny pair of lips on the front. The back is just plain, and then you have like 3 little slots, which is actually really nice. I think I'm gonna start carrying this actually because I don't ever have cash on me anyway, and so when I go work out, I'm gonna start taking this with my driver's license and everything. And then on top of that, you got free samples. It was like 7 samples. It's funny because every time I go in, I'm like, hi, where's the tote? And they're like, what tote? And then I went in today and I was like, hi, where's my card holder? They're like, what card holder? So we have Clinique concealer, a Buxom Big T's mascara, we have Tarte something, Beauty Blender cleanser, Fresh Umber and Clay mask, Josie Marin, and an Algenist. I'll probably give those to my mom. None of those interest me because I've either tried them before or I just don't feel like it. So let's get into the stuff. I did walk out with one of the big bags. Let's start off with a gift. I got this for my mom for Mother's Day, which is coming up pretty soon. It was $55, which is not bad for the brand Fresh, and it's all the Rose Hydration Hot Shots. So we have the Rose Toner, the Rose Face Cream, the Rose Sugar Lip Scrub, and it's not lip scrub, it's the actual lip sugar rose, and then the rose mask. So I thought that was really cute, and like I said, $55 for that brand is not bad. I got a new beauty blender. I saw Missy did a little mini haul and she had the turquoise one, and I originally wanted the marble pink and white one, but they didn't have that one in store, and so I got the turquoise one just for something different. I repurchased the Clarisonic brush heads. It's definitely time for me to do this. You're supposed to replace them every 3 months, and so I pick up a 2-pack every VIB sale, and that lasts me the 6 months. And it's a good deal for the 2-pack instead of just buying one every once in a while. I got a jumbo size Purity. I use this for everything. I use this for a face wash every single day, twice a day. And then I also sometimes will use this for cleaning my brushes, although lately I have been using the liquid beauty blender cleanser, and then I also just got a Japanesque solid brush cleanser, so this will last a little bit longer. I got the rest. The only fun thing I got really is a new highlighter. They come out with a full size of the vanilla quartz, and it is so pretty. I really want the Parisian Lights one, which is the one with the Eiffel Tower. Shauna and I were just talking about it, but I opted for this one. It's still absolutely gorgeous, and Becca is one of my favorite, if not my favorite, highlighters. They last the most on my skin. Although the one I'm wearing right now is Maybelline. It's the one I wear. Yeah, it's Maybelline Master Chrome. This is in 100 Molten Gold. I can't stop wearing this. Although I will be putting this one on for a little while. I love this one so much. So anyways, I got something new for my hair. This is the BB Bumble Scalp Detox. So it's fizzing foam to remove impurities and product buildup. I have been having like a little bit of issues with, it's not dandruff, it's like product buildup. And so I wanted to try this because I have another one. It's from Diva Curl, and that one is like something that you put in, but I really love Bumble lately, and so I really wanted to try this, and it's brand new. So the next thing I got is a new vitamin C serum. You guys know the True Serum from Ole Henriksen is my jam, but this one was like right around the same price, and so I really wanted to try it, and I've been really loving my Drunk Elephant stuff. So this has ascorbic acid as well. And then I also got something from Drunk Elephant that I'm really excited about. It's a new daily sunscreen, and it's tinted, and it goes underneath your, you can use it underneath your makeup, so it gives you a little bit of extra coverage, glow, protect, Umbra Tint Physical Daily Defense. So it's a SPF 30, and it's a physical sunscreen instead of a chemical sunscreen, which, you know, Drunk Elephant's all about all natural, blah blah blah. I could read you the whole panel, but I'm not going to. I repurchased this. This is the Jumbo Good Jeans. This again lasts me. I still have probably about this much of my other one that I got at the fall, so I always get the biggest one. It's the most expensive, but it's so expensive. Another thing I repurchased, I just spit, is my Goof Proof Brow Pencil. This is actually, I like this one more than the ABH one. I feel like the ABH one is a little bit chalky and a little bit drier. This one like goes on a little bit smoother. The only thing about this one is because it is smoother, you kind of have to be careful because you can go overboard real quick with it and you have like brows, you know. And then the last but not least repurchase is my sugar lip scrub. It's not a lip scrub. I don't know why I keep saying that. It's just the sugar lip treatment. This is my nighttime one. I have an extra of the daytime one, which has an SPF in it, but I just finished my nighttime one, which is just a regular white one. It doesn't have a tint or anything, so that's it. That's all I got. I say that's all, but I haven't bought anything, like I said, all year, and I always wait for the coupon. I mean, typically I buy stuff every week from Sephora, which is why I'm always rouge. But like I said, I've been on a no buy and I've done really well. This is my very first purchase of the year. 4 months in. Look at me go. I'm a new woman. So I hope you enjoyed this haul. If you did, give it a thumbs up. It's not going to be a very often thing. But if you want to get in more with me, I am definitely more active over on Instagram. I definitely took a page out of Shauna's book. I'm not on Snapchat that much anymore, just because I don't like the new setup of it, and I told you guys in my last vlog that I have a little bit more of a following on Instagram now, and so I just turned over to one social media, and so I do stories, and I actually do upload a picture to Instagram every single day now. What is happening? So if you want to connect with me a little bit more, definitely head over to Instagram. It's just the.cocco.channel, and I will see you guys over there. I love you so much. Okay, bye.